Kanban System. Welcome to our video on the Kanban System, a popular project management tool that has been transforming the way we work and helping teams to achieve their goals more efficiently. In the next few minutes, we'll give you an overview of this powerful system and explain why you should consider implementing it in your workplace. The Kanban system was originally developed in Japan by Toyota engineer Taichi Ono in the 1940s. The word Kanban in Japanese translates to visual signal or card, and the system revolves around the idea of using visual cues to manage work and improve processes. Line workers used Kanbans, cards, to indicate steps in their manufacturing process. This system allowed for easy communication among teams because of its highly visual nature. Teams could easily communicate what is needed to be done and when. Today, the Kanban system is used by businesses in various industries, from software development to marketing and even manufacturing. At its core, the Kanban system is about visualizing your work. By creating a visual representation of your tasks and projects, you can easily see the current status of each item and identify potential bottlenecks or areas for improvement. This transparency helps to ensure that everyone on your team is on the same page and can work together more effectively. One of the main components of the Kanban system is the Kanban board. This is a visual tool that is used to display tasks and projects as they move through the various stages of completion. Tasks are represented by cards and are placed in columns that represent the different stages of the workflow, such as to do, in progress, and done. The Kanban board is designed to limit the amount of work in progress, WIP, at any given time. One of the functions of the Kanban system is to ensure that too many items are not in progress at the same time. The tool helps to achieve this by setting work-in-progress limits. By setting WIP limits for each stage of the workflow, you can prevent bottlenecks and ensure that your team is always working on the highest priority tasks. This helps to maintain a steady flow of work, which in turn leads to increased productivity and efficiency. Another key aspect of the Kanban system is the continuous improvement mindset. By regularly reviewing your team's performance and making adjustments to your processes, you can constantly optimize the way you work. This focus on continuous improvement ensures that your team is always adapting and evolving, enabling you to stay ahead of the competition. One of the main benefits of implementing the Kanban system is increased productivity. By limiting WIP and maintaining a steady flow of work, your team can focus on completing tasks efficiently, rather than being overwhelmed by multiple tasks at once. This leads to a more streamlined workflow and a reduction in wasted time and resources. In addition to increased productivity, the Kanban system also promotes better collaboration among team members. With a clear visual representation of the workflow and the tasks at hand, everyone on the team can see what their colleagues are working on, making it easier to collaborate and assist one another as needed. The Kanban system also helps to reduce stress and burnout among team members. By limiting WIP and ensuring that everyone has a manageable workload, employees are less likely to feel overwhelmed or overworked. This leads to a healthier work environment and a more motivated, engaged team. One of the great things about the Kanban system is its flexibility. It can be easily adapted to suit the specific needs of your team and your projects. Whether you're working with a small team on a single project or managing multiple teams across a large organization, the Kanban system can be scaled and customized to fit your needs. In conclusion, the Kanban system is a powerful project management tool that can help your team to work more efficiently, collaborate better, and continuously improve your processes. By visualizing your work, limiting WIP, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, you can transform the way your team works and achieve your goals more effectively. So, are you ready to give the Kanban system a try? Start by setting up a simple Kanban board for your team, and watch as the benefits of this visual project management tool become clear. How to implement Kanban system in manufacturing. Now that we've covered the basics of the Kanban system and its benefits, let's dive into the steps you can take to implement this strategy in your own manufacturing operations. The first step in implementing a Kanban system is to identify the different stages of your production process. Break down your manufacturing process into its essential steps, from the arrival of raw materials to the shipment of finished products. Once you have mapped out your production process, the next step is to determine the appropriate Kanban method for each stage. There are several types of Kanban systems, including production Kanban, withdrawal Kanban, and supplier Kanban. Choose the method that best suits the specific needs of each stage in your process. After selecting the appropriate Kanban method, you will need to create a visual representation of your system. This can be done using physical cards, digital tools, or a combination of both. The visual representation should clearly show the flow of materials and tasks throughout the production process. Next, establish the rules and guidelines for using your Kanban system. This includes determining the maximum number of Kanban cards allowed in each stage of the process, specifying the procedure for moving cards between stages, and setting up a system for replenishing materials as they are used. Once you have your Kanban system in place, the next step is to train your team on how to use it effectively. This may involve holding workshops, creating training materials, and ensuring that all team members understand the importance of adhering to the system's rules and guidelines. As you begin implementing your Kanban system, it's crucial to monitor its effectiveness and make adjustments as needed. Regularly review the performance of your system, looking for areas where efficiencies can be improved and waste can be reduced. Don't be afraid to make changes to your Kanban system as you learn more about its impact on your production process. Continuously refining your system will help you maximize its benefits and ensure that it remains an effective tool for improving efficiency and reducing waste. Finally, remember that the success of your Kanban system relies on the commitment and engagement of your entire team. Encourage open communication and collaboration, and foster a culture of continuous improvement to ensure that everyone is invested in the success of the system. In conclusion, implementing a Kanban system in your manufacturing process can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, waste reduction, and overall productivity. By following these steps and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, you can successfully integrate Kanban into your operations and enjoy the benefits of this powerful lean manufacturing strategy. So that's it for today's video on implementing the Kanban system in manufacturing. We hope you found this information valuable and are inspired to explore the potential of Kanban in your own production processes. Thanks for watching, and happy manufacturing!